Welcome back everyone, I am Fausto Carnevale, Italian accountant, and in this video I will explain to you again why the regime forfettario, forfait regime, is still the best tax regime for you to start in 2024 and in 2025. So watch this video until the end because we have a promotional code for valid only in September and October to book a 1-hour call with us. You can find, by the way, more information in the description. And also I have another surprise for you, all of you who are interested moving to Italy, or if you are already in Italy, a surprise for you if you want to know what is the best tax regime as a freelance. So let's say that we already talked a lot of video, we already did a lot of video in this channel, but in this today you have to think yourself as a freelance. Why? Because the forfait regime is this is yourself, is a tax regime that you can use when you are freelance. Does it mean that you have to be only freelance and you can't be an employee as well? No, but generally speaking, this is the normal tax regime when you are freelance. You have a VAT number and you can start invoicing. Now, the important thing is that, it's why I'm doing this video, because we also talk about other tax regime like impatriate regime, but maybe you said, oh, I moved in Italy 2 years ago, I didn't see your channel. But the good things about the regime forfettario is that you can open the VAT, get the VAT number without limit. What does it mean? It means that if you moved to Italy 3 years ago, or 4 years ago, or 5 years ago, we don't mind when you move to Italy. You open the VAT and you have automatically this tax regime. Now, what are the benefits, the main reasons of this tax regime? So first thing, you can pay the 5% of taxes. Exactly. For the first 5 years, you pay 5% and then 15%. You have a forfeit of cost, and this we have to analyze your tax code, but let's say 78%, the tax authorities says, Fausto, you earn 10,000 euro, okay, we assume that 78% is the profit. So you will pay the 5% on top on the profit. The bad thing is that there is the limit, 85,000 euro invoiced per year, okay? And regarding the social contribution, you pay a little bit more than 25%. So 25% on top of your profit. And this is not the end, because if you have this regime, first of all, let's say that this is not a company, this is you as a physical person with a VAT number. So this is you with a VAT number, okay? You do your invoices, you do your work, you can use your personal bank account, but the good thing is that you don't have to do all the compliance like another company, meaning that you don't have to do the VAT tax return. You don't have to do the, balance sheet, okay? You don't have to do anything as a company. You just have to make the invoices. Of course, you may have to do the Intrastat if you sell outside Italy, which is quite possible. And you can use this regime even if you are a lawyer, an accountant, or an IT guy, whatever kind of activity you do. Now, the good news is also that we released a guide, what we can do for you then. In case you have any question, by the way, we have an accounting firm in Italy, so we can support you with all the things, not only for the forfait regime, all the things, VAT, tax return, electronic invoice, etc. So I invite you to send us an email at info@esentaxa.com if you want more information. Until next time, Fausto Carnevale, and let's move forward with your VAT number with the regime forfettario.